The Saab Sonett III represents one of the most unusual chapters in Swedish automotive history. Its origins trace back to 1955, when Saab experimented with a lightweight roadster designed for racing. Only 6 units of the original Sonett were produced, but the idea of a compact performance car persisted. By 1966, Saab introduced the second-generation Sonett II, targeting competition with European roadsters. However, regulatory changes and engineering limitations led to a complete redesign by 1970. The Sonett III, including the 1974 model, featured a body reshaped under Italian designer Sergio Coggiola and adapted by Gunnar Sjögren. The redesign introduced a distinctive fastback profile with a hinged rear glass hatch instead of a traditional trunk. The front end became smoother, with a flat hood and manually operated pop-up headlamps. Due to structural constraints, access to the engine required lifting the entire front section, which reflected Saab's unconventional engineering approach. Power came from a Ford-supplied V4 engine. Early versions used a 1.5-liter unit, but by 1974, the car was equipped with a 1.7-liter Ford Taunus V4. Despite stricter emissions standards limiting output to 65 horsepower, the Sonett III achieved respectable performance, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, about 62 miles per hour, in about 13 seconds, and a top speed of approximately 165 kilometers per hour, around 102 miles per hour. Its relatively low drag coefficient of 0.31 contributed to efficiency and stability. Inside, the Sonett III was adapted for the American market, with a floor-mounted shifter replacing the earlier column design. Optional air conditioning revised safety bumpers after 1972 reflected changing regulations, though these additions slightly compromised the car's sleek styling. Production of the Sonett III ended in 1974, heavily impacted by slow sales and the 1973 oil crisis. Only 8,368 units were built, making surviving examples rare. Today, the 1974 model stands out for its combination of rarity and individuality. Many remaining cars require restoration, yet their durable fiberglass bodies often preserve their shape well. Modern enthusiasts value the Sonett III for its engineering quirks and motorsport connections, including participation in SCCA autocross events. Modified examples may feature upgraded suspension, carburetors, and exhaust systems, enhancing performance while retaining the original character. As Saab ceased automobile production decades later, the Sonett III has become a symbol of the brand's experimental spirit and a highly sought-after collectible.